Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to log out your Gmail ID from unknown devices like any laptop or any PC. So how you can remove your Gmail address or how you can log out. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to go to on your Gmail ID, and once you open your Gmail ID, you just need to simply tap on your profile icon. You will see over here I will hide some details on my screen because of some you can say like YouTube restrictions, so that's why I'm going to hide this option. You just need to simply click on this option like your profile icon, and once you tap on your profile icon, you will see your all the email in your you can say this drop down menu. You just need to simply tap your Gmail ID which you want to log out. So in my case I'm going to log out my this Gmail address, so I need to click on like manage your account. Okay, and once you tap on your manage your account, you will see there are lots of options available. You just need to simply click over on you can say this over, and you just need to tap on security. Okay, and once you tap on security, you just need to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and scroll down. In the bottom side you will see your devices section. Okay, over here you will see your devices. You just need to simply click on manage all devices, and once you tap on manage all devices, you will see over here your devices list. Okay, and you just need to simply tap on any option which you want to log out, and in my case I want to log out my you can say Gmail address from my PC, so I'm going to log out on this option. Tap on this option, and once you tap on this option, it will open a new window. On this window you will see sign out option. Okay, and if this sign out button is not active, maybe in your case this sign out button is not available, so it means your Gmail is already logged out. Okay, if your Gmail is not logged out, so you just need to simply tap on sign out, and just once you click on sign out and click on OK, and it will log out your you can say Gmail address from unknown devices. Okay, so by using this method you can easily sign out your Gmail address from unknown devices and all. Now you can see status like signed out. Okay, and this is the tutorial. If this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.